Hi guys, this is Ajay Kumar. Today my topic is transition from analog to digital. National TV Broadcasting Switchover Strategy. National TV Broadcasting Switchover Strategy adopted by the Government of the Republic of Croatia on 31st July 2008. The strategy stimulates fundamental strategic guidelines for the introduction of digital television in the Republic of Croatia. The main strategic goal of the Republic of Croatia, full television switchover by 1st January 2011 at the latest. Another two documents were also adopted. Decisions on the start of digital TV broadcast and the end of analog TV broadcast in the Republic of Croatia. Decision on manner of distributing of subsides and TV subscribers in the order to TV adapters from the decision of DTV programming. Ministry of the Sea, Transport and Infrastructure in cooperation with the Croatian Post and Electric Communication Agency is responsible for the preparation and adoption of the secondary legislation relevant for the introduction of digital television. 19 December 2008, the Ordinance on Analog to Digital Radio and Television Broadcasting switchover and the access to multiplex positions in terrestrial digital broadcasting. This ordinance, secondary legislation related to the radio frequency spectrum management provides legal basics for the introduction of digital television and terrestrial television. The strategy also includes two action plans. Action plan for the analog to digital terrestrial television broadcasting switchover in digital regions. Official commencing of simulcast simultaneously broadcasting of nationwide television programs in digital and analog technology. Promotion champion, informing consumers on details referring to analog to digital television broadcasting switchover in the relevant digital region and on possibilities of purchasing digital receivers. Delivery of subsidy vouchers and purchase of all digital receivers enabling consumers viewers to receive contents. The strategy also includes two plans. Action plan for the implementation of the promotion campaign to inform the public on the reasons for analog to digital terrestrial television broadcasting switchover, informative TV commercials, designing the mascot and logo and informative brochure, my administration, web portal update, designing website, etc. To educate the public on digital television benefits, indirect contacts with the public, TV shows, conferences, workshops, and roundtables, online quiz and banners, etc. Direct communication with the digital switchover, roadshow. Now we see the on picture. Now digital regions in the Republic of Croatia. Pilot project in the country of Istria, Digital Istria. On 1st September 2008, the government launched a 2-year national DTV educational.
Hi guys, I am here Agnesh. Let me continue this presentation. The strategy also enables the introduction and provision of new services or business models due to the releasing of radio frequency spectrum for new allocations and applications upon digital switchover. Few applications: additional national-wide digital terrestrial television programs in either SDTV or HDTV. Digital terrestrial television programs at regional and local level television. Services for mobile phone, DVB-H and other types of mobile video or multimedia. Mobile communications such as voice calls or information data, wireless broadband communication services, wireless microphones for theaters, televisions and radio production and live music events, short-range wireless applications such as fixed wireless access at home, public safety services such as wireless communications for the emergency services. On 29 January 2010, HACOM launched a public tender procedure for granting the individual rights for use of radio frequencies relating to DTV into national-wide multiplexes, Multiplex A and Multiplex B, with required population covered of 95%. The spectrum license to be granted with issued for 10-year duration, binding the successful bidder to ensure multiplexing services must carry obligations for existing analog programs 4 to 5 SDTV programs per multiplex with statistical multiplexing and MPEG coding. The minimum requirement for multiplex A and multiplex B data rates of 19.91 megabits per second, 64 QAM modulation, 2x3 protection coding, and 1/3/4 guard interval already planned have been defined in the tendering documentation. Average net data rate per TV program will be approximately 4 megabit per second. Exact number of TV programs and the total capacity of multiplex A and multiplex B will be known after the end of the tendering procedure and granting the license. The deadline for the application was 30 March 2010 and the HACOM's decision on license shall be announced on 24 April 2009. In accordance with the strategy, both multiplexes A and B shall deliver the assigned TV programs to the population of Croatia by the end of the year 2010 at the latest, but they may become operational in the course of the year 2009. On 12th February 2009, a new decision on the manner of distribution of subsidies and criteria and conditions of granting the subsidies to the TV subscribers. Natural persons. In order to purchase TV adapters for the reception of DTV programs, set-top boxes adapted by the government, each TV subscriber is entitled to the subsidy in amount of 7500 HRK, approximately 10 euros, in the form of voucher to purchase one digital receiver. Vouchers shall be distributed to all TV subscribers. Vouchers shall be used before 31st December 2010 at the latest. This decision ensures the digital receivers subsidies in a technology neutral form. The Central State Administrative Office of Croatia, responsible for the daily management tasks related to the strategy implementation. Finally, we are determined to implement the strategy before 2012. Definitely to avoid the following scenario.